Hello friends, hope all of you are doing great. This is Mamta Nagarath. I have come up with a new subject course, that is Global Software Development MSc from Fulda University of Applied Sciences. In today's video, I will discuss about this course and I will discuss about what are the requirements for doing this course, who can do this course, and what are the advantages if you complete this course, how much is the duration, what are the deadlines, what are the requirements, everything we are going to discuss, and I will try to make this video as short as possible. So let us start. Historic city with a central location. Fulda is an historic city with a central location with approximately 70,000 inhabitants. Fulda is one of the Germany's smaller cities, but its advantages include high quality of life, easy accessibility, a safe public environment, and affordable living costs. What is more, its central location and direct connection to train, bus, and motorway networks make Fulda an ideal base for exploring the rest of the Germany. The course is Global Software Development MSc, Fulda University of Applied Sciences, Fulda, Germany. Degree is Master of Science. Teaching language English. Languages. The courses are held in English 100%. The thesis can be written in English or German. Additional German language courses are offered. Program duration 3 semesters, beginning winter and summer semester. The summer semester starts in April and the winter semester starts in October. Application deadline: non-EU citizens 1st November for the following summer semester, 31st May for the following winter semester. EU citizens 15th January for following summer semester, 15th July for the following summer semester. Tuition fee per semester in euro is none. Description/content. In many companies with overseas branches, partners, and customers, software development has a global dimension. It is no longer uncommon to find a development team dispersed across countries or continents. On one hand, this poses a special challenge for development methodologies and the processes. On the other hand, it demands intercultural competencies of all team members. Besides state-of-the-art technologies and frameworks of current fields such as parallel programming and web mobile applications, this 3-semester master's program focuses on development technologies and their application in intercultural teams. It has a very practical orientation and is taught entirely in English. The first 2 semesters focus on infrastructure, programming, technology, methodology, application in intercultural teams. The 3rd semester is dedicated to writing the master's thesis while attending a seminar focusing on intercultural communication and scientific writing. Integrated internship of 20 weeks in IT companies in Germany are available for international participants. The internship is an additional part of the master's program. If the students need to earn an additional 30 credits, program advisors will assist students in finding an appropriate internship. Tuition fee per semester is in euro is none. Semester contribution: a semester contribution of around 300 euro is charged to cover the cost of student services, the student government and administrative fee, and the semester ticket, a student bus and rail pass for local and regional public transport. Cost of living approximately 700 to 800 euro per month, inclusive of food, rent, and health insurance, approximately 110 euro per month, depending on one's living standard. Funding opportunities within the universities are possible. Description of the above mentioned funding opportunities within the university: international students may apply for Deutschland Stipendium scholarship. Academic admission requirements: university degree equivalent to at least a bachelor's degree, 180 or 210 ECTS or equivalent with good grades equivalent to German grade 2.5 or better in computer sciences or related disciplines. If you have a bachelor's degree with 180 ECTS, you have to earn an additional 30 ECTS during your studies. English language skills. For further information regarding the selection process online, see https www.hs-fulda-de. The link I will give in the description box. Language requirements: excellent English proficiency, TOEFL 550 paper based, 213 computer based, 85 internet based, or an IELTS test with a score of band 6.5 and higher. Application deadline: non-EU citizens 1st November for the following semester, 31st May for the following winter semester. EU citizens 15th January for the following summer semester, 15th July for the following summer semester. 15th January for the following summer semester, 15th July for the following winter semester. Submit application to online application via UniAssist. For further information, I will give you the link of the university website under the description box. Possibility of finding part-time employment is there within the university. Accommodation services are available in the university. The career advisory service is available in the university. All the links to the career advisory service, the language requirements, the requirements of the course, the link to the university, and link to the DAAD.de website for this particular course, I will provide everything in the description box. And guys, I hope this course will be very useful for those who have interest in computer science and they want to pursue a career in the software development in multinational companies. Since it is a global software development course, it has a huge requirement in the market and the career opportunities are tremendous. And as far as students from India are concerned, those who have bachelor's degree in computer science or those who have done those who have done BTech in computer science can apply for this course having a IELTS score of 6.5 or above. And all the links will be provided in the description box. In case you have any further query, you can always put your queries in the comment box and I will research upon it and give you the appropriate answer. I hope this video is helpful. Keep subscribing my channel and give a like button and give a thumbs up to keep me motivated. Thank you so much and wish you all the best.